say, let there be light. SECODI say, let there be light.
SECODI, SECODI says, and there is light, and there is light, and there is light. Yes, today is a great day. Yes. You know, today many people have created today as a solar engineer. Yes. SECODI has produced different solar engineers. With a certified certificate. That shows that the business is working. My brothers and sisters, the world today is going to work. So now join us, become a distributor, and start enjoying the benefits of being a member of SECODI. SECODI says, and there is and there is and there is. Now I want to introduce my mentor, our solar champion team master, that's Oga Mr. Ibeju, to give us a clue about the business and to encourage us more. Please welcome Mr. Ibeju.
SECODI says, and there is yes, I'm very happy to be here today because we already got solar engineers. Yes. I want you to know, for you to join the solar champion team, this is the best team you can see in SECODI. Because in this team, we have a moving trend. People that partner in this business, they do well. What I want you to know, these are potential millionaires in the solar industry. I want you, wherever you are, this is the right time for you to partner with us. Because in our team, within short possible time, we can have a full solar solarized in your home. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Our solar team. Hello. Somebody says, and there is
SECODI say, let there be light. SECODI say, let there be light.